So what I got here is a few products I like to use on my brake pads when I do a new pad install. I gotta film it WD-40, can't go wrong with that stuff. This stuff, which is just awesome. Let's see if it focuses. It says Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant. Very important to lube your pads. Gotta lube them, guys. I put it on all my vehicles, put it on all the pads. It will make your pads last so much longer. What you should do, take your WD-40 that works on everything, and just clean that surface. So you want a good clean surface. You just want to get that all clean. You just want to get, you know, any grease and dirt buildup that gets in there. See, there's a line there. So you just want to clean this all up. Nice and smooth there. This is what you would do on new pads. If you're checking your pads, take your lubricant, brake parts lubricant. Very important. You take that. This stuff is nice. It's thick. It's purpley. I love that it's purple. I feel like that gives you more horsepower, but I know it doesn't. But it just looks cool, you know, you just dab it on there. Don't want too much though, you know? You don't want it gooey, I mean, you know, squish it out. I mean, it's gonna go around the disc, but that's the thing, you know, you kind of just even it out there with your finger. Just kind of even it out, you know. Make it happy. If you want, you can add some to the back here, which, you know, I'm just doing this as a demo because I've already done my XR650R, but you just take this, you add some back here, and that just helps, you know, quiet the noise on the back side. But the front side, that will make it last, oh, probably 100 times longer than if you just run these dry. And the key is cleaning it with the WD-40 and then lubing them up. And then you just put them back in, and you've seen hundreds of videos of how to install pads, so no need to do that. That's what you do, guys. So just remember, and I'm not paid by these guys, you know, this is, there's different brands. This is the Permatex, you know, Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant. So if you want to look that up on like Amazon, this is item 24125. Great stuff. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. Have a good one.